Kalika. Our teammates are Apurva, Basamma, Kusuma. Uh, our topic is automated testing and test case design using the test case tools for GM Insta application. Our contents are introduction to Catalan Studio and GM Insta, test scenarios and test case execution, output, advantages and conclusion. Next, introduction. Software testing is a process used to identify the defect, errors, and unexpected behaviors of the software application. It helps to ensure the applications its work according to the specific requirements and provides a better user experience. In a modern software development, automated testing is a widely used because of its reducing the manual effort and improve the accuracy and saves the time. Automated testing is especially used for the same test case needed to execute repeatedly during the development and maintenance. Next, introduction to Catalan Studio and GM Instam. The Catalan Studio is a properly automated testing tool using a test case web, mobiles, desktop, and API applications. It provides a easier to use environment to create a execution automated test case for the assignment. I selected to the GMInst application, which has a mainly social media platform. It also used to the registration, used for the login, post profile and message. Um, Majorly using the Catalan Studio in testing functionalities is verify the application perform currently for the user requirements. Next will be continued by Basamma.
Yeah, everyone, myself Basama, and I'm explaining about test scenarios and test cases. Different modules of the application were tested using specific test cases as login module and registration module. Login using correct username and password. It validates the credentials. Tested login using wrong details. This ensures the login system works properly and blocks unauthorized accesses. Registration module verified that the new user can register successfully. Checked if the account is created properly. This ensures user can create new accounts without errors. Feed or post module tested whether user can upload post or verified the posters appeared correctly in the feed or not. This ensures the posting features works as accepted. Profile module tested editing of a user profile details, verified that updated information is saved. This ensures user can manage their personal information or not. Automation process. These cases were created in Catalan Studio. These test cases were executed automatically. Results were checked to see if they match accepted outcomes. Automations helps save time and improves test accuracy. Test execution. During execution, the GeoMinsta applications were opened in a browser. Automated test cases were running using Catalan Studio. Results were verified for each test cases. Logs were monitored to track execution. Screenshots were captured as proof. Of pass or fail status were recorded. Reports were generated for analysis and final outcome. Most or all the cases were successful. The application worked correctly. For the test cases features, reporters confirmed proper functions of the system. The GM Insta application is functionally correctly and Catalan Studio successfully automated the testing process. Next will be continued by Kusuma.
Everyone, myself Kusma. I am explaining about output our project.
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಾಗೂ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಠ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ
Test case 1.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ
Opening
ಮಾತು
the
ಹೊಡಿತಿರ್ತಾರ
Catalan
ಹಂಗ
project launched with the Catalan Studio
ಅವ್ರು
and open
ನೋಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರ
the GM
ಭಯನೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ
Insta
ಆಕಿಗೆ
automation project. The project structure contain test
ಮೂರ್ಖನ
cases,
ಅವ್ರೇ ಇದ್ರ ಅವ್ರೇ ಅದಾರ
object, responsibility, test studios and reports.
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನಮ್ ಬೆಂಚ್
Exploring test
ಗ್ರೀಷ್ಮಾನಕ್ ಬಂದು
cases.
ಕುತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ಲಾ
Test cases created the
ದೇವಿ ಜೊತೆ ಅಕ್ಕಿ
different
ಅಕ್ಕಿಗೆ
GM Insta
ಮಾತಾಡ್ಕಂತ
models in
ಹಚ್ಚಿಸ್ಕಂತ
the
ಕುಂತಾರ
available
ಸರ್
under the
ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು
test
ಕಂಡ
cases
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ
folder.
ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ ಬೆಂಚಿಗೆ
Required object weights the
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ
store the
ಇವರಿಗೆ
object
ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಂದ ಅಷ್ಟೇ
repository. Create post model execution. The create post test case was selected to execution for starting using run option. We launched the Chrome automatically. The script performed actions such as navigating through the application and validating create post functionally. Message model execution. The se- message test session. The message test select the containing multiple messages related to scenarios was selected. Running the test suite Chrome browser is launched automatically. The automation script executed predefined actions. The validation performs opening the message session, navigation of the message screens, verify whether message functionalities. Next, notification and multiple test cases execution. Notification model execution, notification related test case were executed. Scenario test execution, multiple test case were added into the single test studio. Catalan executed one after another automatically. Execution process tracking. The execution information panel showed executing the test case number, completion percentage, success indicators. Advantages observed: reduce the manual effect, faster execution and representative task, consist validation process. Next, result analysis and failed scenario report. The view execution result after the catalog generated the detailed result automatically. Passed or failed cases were listed separately. Failed scenario, one test case during the execution failed, details available in logs, errors message helped in the identify the root cases. Catalan generated execution report automatically. Report included test suite, test select name, execution time, passed count, failed count, and login login details. And total cases executed successfully. Validation achieved the defect achieved the defect through the automation execution outcomes. The test cases passed and the second one test cases failed. Report generated successfully for analyzed through the Catalan Studio where automated the testing various GM Insta functionality. The execution demonstrated how to automation testing efficiently and increase the consistency, identify fair quickly and generate the details. Next will be continued by Apurva.
Hello everyone, I am Apurva and here are some of the advantages. And first one is faster and more efficient testing. Automated tests in Catalan Studio can execute much faster than manual testing. Multiple test cases can be run in a short period of time. This improves overall testing efficiency and speeds up the software development process. Second one is reduces human errors. Manual testing may lead to mistakes due to fatigue or oversight. Catalan Studio executes the same steps consistently every time. This helps reduce human errors and improve test accuracy. Next is saves time and effort. Once test cases are created, they can be reused multiple times without additional effort. Testers do not need to perform repetitive tasks manually. This saves significant time and reduces workload. Next one is provides accurate and reliable results. Catalan Studio follows predefined test steps exactly as programmed. This ensures consistent and dependable test execution. As a result, the generated results are more accurate and reliable. Last is generates detailed and test reports. Catalan Studio automatically creates reports after test execution. These reports include test status, execution time, and error details. Detailed reports helps testers analyze results and identify defects quickly. Next is conclusion. In this project, the GM Insta application was successfully tested using Catalan Studio. The major functionalities including login, profile, post and message modules were verified through automated test cases. Catalan Studio helped in executing the tests quickly and efficiently. With minimal manual effort, the automated testing process reduced human errors and improved the accuracy of testing. Detailed test reports were generated to analyze the test results and identify defects. The obtained results were reliable and confirmed that the application functions as expected. This project provides practical knowledge of test case creation, execution, and defect reporting. Overall, demonstrated the importance of automated software testing in ensuring software quality and reliability. Thank you.